Go ahead. Guys, I have a special delivery today. Say hi to the people, Liam. Say hi. You like your vest? You don't like your vest? Alright guys, Liam is delivering a package. Go ahead, deliver the package, Liam. Go ahead, deliver the package. Go, you have to give it to the customer. Say thank you for shipping with us. Say thank you. Hello ma'am, how you doing? Good, what's your name? Elena. You got a special delivery from our newest delivery member. His name is Liam. Say hi, Liam. Alright, so Elena, how you doing? You good?
Yes,
So I heard that you have a business, right?
yes.
I know, say we are big up all small businesses because you know that we give all small business customers a 30% discount on the shipping charges. You did not know that? Well, now you know, and all our customers know. What's your business?
Shop.
Shop with Camille. Are you online?
Yes, I'm on Instagram.
You're on Instagram. How they find you?
Shop_with_Camille. That's CAMEILE.
Awesome. And what can they buy from you?
I just started selling like
Grinders,
weed
weed
holders,
holders.
weed trays.
Oh, you're into marijuana. Okay, nice. You hear that, guys? She's into the brand new business of marijuana. All right? Yeah? Am I right? Alright, cool. Check her out on Instagram, as she said. And you can check us out on Instagram. There should be a link somewhere here. And watch me deliver man all over the place. Deliver man. There's a link somewhere here on the page or in the description. Click on it. Join us today. We will ship your items to Jamaica for you and get them delivered to your doorstep. So tell me something. You like the service? It's good so far. And we're going to keep it good. Alright? Say bye to the guys, Sammy, please.